Today is Free Pattern Friday, and the free pattern is for a upcycled welcome mat using the yarn that I made on Earth Day, which was Monday, and adding t-shirt yarn. So I'm really happy with how it turned out. I added 2 skeins of yarn after the shirt, so if I had just gone with one, it just looked too small, so I kept going. I added a second one to show you. Today I'm using my Fair Isle crochet hook, which is a size P, and yarn that I've made from cutting up my favorite shirt that had really given up the ghost. So we're going to make a rug that goes around in a circle. So I've made a slip knot, and then let's chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and connect, making a ring by inserting the hook into the first loop, wrapping around and drawing through both. And chain 1, go in through the center, grab the yarn again and go through both loops to make a single crochet through the center ring. We'll do that again. There's 3, and there's 4. Now I can feel I'm running out already. To attach a new length of yarn, just hold the 2 ends together, wrap them around your finger, and pull tight. Okay. Then when we get to the knot, we'll just sort of work around it, and we can always trim the edges if we feel like it. Okay. So we've got this nice center ring, and then chain 2, and we'll do a double crochet into each single crochet that we've already done on the ring. Actually, I take that back. We're going to do 2 double crochets in each single crochet so that this rug can grow. And you can tell if you've got 2 in one hole here, and I've just got 1 in this hole here, so it's time to do a double crochet in that hole again. And here's the last one. Okay. Oh, that's looking so cute. I love it. Okay. So we do 2 in the next one. One in the one after that, 2 in the next chain, one in the chain after that, two in the next chain, one in the one after that. I definitely recommend using a split marker or a reclosable stitch marker to mark the beginning of your row. And I've just finished a round, I should say, instead of a row. I've just finished a round, and I'm removing it and just moving it up a little bit to keep track. So I've just finished 2 in one stitch, 1 in the next. So next we're going to do 2 double crochets in this chain, 1 and 1, just like this. So we'll go, here's 1, here's 2, and then 1 double crochet in the next chain, and 1 in the chain after that. Two in this next chain, and then 1 in each of the next 2 chains. Then 2 again. And 1 in each of the next 2 chains. I have run out of yarn. This is how much one shirt has made. And so tomorrow I'm going to pick up with another ball of yarn and make it bigger into a proper welcome mat. So here is the finished product. I'm putting it right by my bed. And I just think it came out so cute, super soft. Be sure to check out my Ravelry page. This pattern is available there for free. There are a few other patterns available for free. And yeah, I hope you love it. I can't wait to see pictures. Have a great weekend and talk to you soon. Bye.